Today I decided to spend some quality time with my lovely husband. So we went together in the morning out. We just went to a supermarket. I bought some oat food for pigeons and then got some snack for me and my husband to have a nice tea together. After we went to an Asian coffee shop which is called Chai Wala. This is my favorite Asian karak chai place, which the taste of chai is the best out of all the other Asian coffee shops in the town. So we ordered 2 karak chai, 1 sugar-free for my husband and 1 normal for me. And before heading out and about, we just drank our hot tea in the winter, just a few days remaining to Christmas. I really love to drink hot beverages in cold winter outside. It just gives me that cozy and nice feeling, and it feels that all my problems just fade away. After our tea, we headed to Stamford. It's a beautiful little town near where we're living. This city is so famous for its coffee shops and a town center. The town has such a beautiful vintage look, especially close to Christmas, where you see all the beautiful Christmas decoration in the town center. We just took lots of nice pictures. We just went roam around out and about in the city. Really spent such nice quality time together. And this town became one of our favorite destinations, and we decided to just head back to the town later for having a beautiful dinner in one of the beautiful restaurants.